Hello and welcome. My name is Ahmad Sharifuddin bin Mukhtarruddin from School of Bioscience. Today, I will be presenting a short video about Ebola. Ebola virus disease is a severe, often fatal illness in humans. EVD outbreaks have a case fatality rate up to 90%. Ebola first appeared in 1974 in two simultaneous outbreaks in Zara, Sudan, and in Yabuku, Democratic Republic of the Congo. The latter was in a village situated near the Ebola River, from which the disease takes its name. It has not been reported in humans in the Asia-Pacific region as of 31st July 2012. However, with the global travel, it is possible that outbreaks in Africa could result in the spread of the virus to. Last year, on March 23, 2014, World Health Organization was notified of an outbreak of Ebola virus disease in Guinea, Africa. The overall prognosis of those who are infected with Ebola virus disease is relatively poor, with high mortality rate of 90% of EVD cases. Ebola virus is regarded as a prototype pathogen of viral hemorrhagic fever, and with the absence of proper treatment, it was declared biothreat pathogen category A. Category A pathogens are those organisms, biological agents that pose the highest risk to the national security and public health because they can be easily disseminated or transmitted from person to person, result in high mortality rate, and have the potential for major public health impact, might cause public panic and social disruption, and also require special action for public health procedures. Over 11,000 deaths was recorded during the last outbreak last year in Africa. There are a few ways Ebola can be spread through various transmissions such as close contact with a person who is infected with or has died with Ebola, touching the blood or bodily fluids of a person who is infected with Ebola, users of contaminated syringes and needles of Ebola patients, handling infected animals, touching their blood, bodily fluids, or their meat. Ebola cannot be transmitted through mosquito bite, air, water, food, and those who survive Ebola infection. These are the following symptoms of patients who are infected with Ebola virus, such as bleeding, vomiting, skin rash, diarrhea, fever, and muscle ache. These are the following precautions that can help prevent infection and spread of Ebola. First, avoid undercooked food. Second, maintain proper hygiene. Third, health workers should wear proper protective clothes. Fourth, stop spreading misinformation regarding Ebola. And finally, go to a health center if you notice any symptoms. The recent outbreak of Ebola virus has caused an alarming danger to the humanity. In order to prevent this tragedy from ever happening again, every individual should take an initiative to gain some more awareness regarding the impact of EVD to the society. Last year, over thousands of lives were taken by this viral infection, and we hope that in the future, proper action, research, prevention should be taken in order to control this biological threat from ever happening. These are my references. And thank you for listening to my presentation.